Alright guys, I'm going to show you today how to remove the radio on a 2007 Taurus. First you need some Ford handy removal tool keys. Push in. There's these little clips on the side you're going to have to clip a hold of and pull outwards to release. Then disconnect everything from the back. Sometimes the plugs can be a little stubborn. Sometimes these keys are nice to push in a clip to remove the little guys. Alright, if you see here on the side, when you push these clips into the front, they latch right here. And when you're doing, piece of crap. When you pull, it pulls at that which latches here on the side of the radio. So now you got that. Okay, guys, now we're here on the bench. We're going to take the radio and flip it over. And then you're going to have a screw here, which is a T15. I'm going to screw that guy to this side, pull that out, other side, that guy, pull him out, and lift, pull out and then up, there. And then you take a 5mm socket, got this guy. Take a 5mm here. Alright, I'm going to flip to the front side, face all your dials straight up, pull straight out, and out. Alright, now that's done, take the first one, twist it, straight out, set the side, second one, turn to the right, and out. This guy here is a little stubborn. This guy doesn't have any bolts, it just clips in. And take that out. Now you're stripped down. And you take your new radio housing, flip over, take this guy, pop, next one. Pop in. If you got a couple of spare screws, I don't like using the original 5mm. They don't seem to really bite in there. There. Cool. Take the clips, some back to the side. T15 again. There we go again. Now you take your knobs, it doesn't matter which one, they will go all back on the same. Just turn to make sure everything works okay. Alright, now that part's done. Whenever you buy a new radio, your wires are going to be like this. They're different lengths. Cut them all so they're the same. This makes it a lot easier to tuck in everything. Strip my wires. When you guys are wiring, go ahead and strip the blue with white. Don't worry about the blue. More than likely you'll never need it on most cars. The blue is going to be a power antenna. The blue with white will be an amp turn on, but it's not hurt to have the amp turn on hooked up. The only thing difference is if you have an old car with a power antenna, it'll just activate the power antenna whenever the radio is turned on, rather than just when AM/FM is set. Alright, go here. Strip all those off. There's not that much wire, so I'm going to strip a little extra. I only really need a quarter, but I like about 3/8 worth of wire. And put them together like that. And just twist them. And some crimp caps. Do not use wiring nuts. Wiring nuts, duct tape, scotch tape, whatever it is. If you're trying to do it at home in the garage and you don't have any of this stuff, you can use electrical tape, but do not use scotch tape, duct tape, anything like that. That is flammable, it will catch on fire, and you don't need a fire in your dash. Alright guys, so they're all crimped up. What I'm doing now is grab the zip tie. I'll wrap it around all these here. Pull it as hard as you can, like right there, so it looks like a teepee. Then cut it nice and tight, and then you can pull out like this. So now we are set. Your wiring is complete. Alright, you're going to take this guy here, slide it straight through the front, and then you can do this with a flat blade screwdriver, but I find a cotter pin tool works the best. You can reach in through, bend down, bend them as hard as you can. You're not going to break the metal. Flip over, same thing on the top. Guys, this is a very critical step. If it's not tight, the radio will jump, you'll skip CDs. It just really plays havoc in the player. Alright, now once it's in there, you guys see the tabs, how they're all pressed forward right here. And then you just take this guy here, make sure you're upside up, slide back, you hear the click, you can check on the back side if you want to wiggle, it's nice and set. Take your plug, go ahead and snap in, plug your antenna in. Now you're ready for dash reassembly. Alright guys, we're back in the car again. As you see, I already ran this wire down here to the left side of the steering. I'm going to make sure all the connectors are made. Alright. All this is simply plugging everything back in. If you ran a Bluetooth mic like I did, you can make sure you plug it back in. Just make sure everything's got its plug in, guys. That's all this. And once So that's in. All right, now let's just get in here. Let's get the slider back into your click there. Yeah, click there. You're all set. All right, test it real quick. Key in, turn on. Cool. We're lit up. We're not going to have any sound yet, but that's not a big deal. All right, but turn it off. All right, guys, now that you're back at the back of the car, on the left side, there is, pull the carpet back, there is a connector, a little black tab. Pull the pin out of the center, then you can pull the whole guy inside out, these little guys, and then you can pull this forward. If it makes you, if it helps you, you can actually remove all this carpet, but I don't need to. So this is the factory radio box. Now, there's two plugs on the bottom and the antenna. I'll start unplugging the antenna. Just twist it until it comes out. You're free there. And you have two additional cords. One there and one there. Now, your wires from the front should be tucked under your carpet. Come across. Over here. And they will only plug in to one of the two connectors. So you see it plugs in this one. See, it's too big for this one. It will not fit. So you plug it in there. Plug it in there. Put your carpet back the way it was. And you don't have to unplug the second. Let's test it out. We get reception. Got music, guys. Looks like we got a good job done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.